Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give a quick little video recap for my members in the group chat. If you guys recall yesterday, me going over the pre-market game plan on the SPY, I was letting you know that I was looking to short into strength, simply based around my indicators and somewhat of the resistance levels up above that we had. So my initial game plan was to short into the strength at the open around the 280 range, and as you can see, here's the 280 range mark noted. Um, we did get to the 280 range, and that was a great opportunity to short as it was the high of day, but it didn't happen initially. We did pull back first, but that's all right. You could always adjust your plan as the day goes on. Um, well, I wanted to just go over a quick little recap of why I thought this was a great opportunity to short into strength, and simply based off the resistance. So to start, I'll go to the daily chart, and you could obviously tell that this it's a clear weakness, clear downtrend. We got rejected again here, indecision candle right here, um, and then there was just a lot of upside resistance. MACD and all the moving averages are down low, so that's the overall trend. Um, Now, if you go into the next time frame, you go to the 30-minute chart. I'm gonna go over where I found this key 280 resistance. Um, was this Tuesday was a top for about 2 hours. Um, that was very important. You can see here the 280 range was congested on Tuesday. And then you flip into Wednesday and it holds the support. You see one, two, three, four candles hold that 280 area as support. So my key thing is we were gapping down below that 280 range, and I noted that in the pre-market game plan. So since we were gapping below it, um, previous previous support acts as new resistance. Yes, that's what it is. And I looked over here and was like, wow, the MACD is curling. You can tell this. It's about to go red. It went from it's green. Moving averages are now in a neutral trend, and then the gap down was going to bring it in the red, and it did. So my expectations for that was maybe we'll get a quick pop, maybe we'll see some quick shorts covering at the open, a nice little short squeeze, pop it up to that 280 range, and we could short all over it. It didn't initially happen, but we did get that move right at the 280. It was actually the high of the day, so we'll go into the 5-minute chart and look at how clear this resistance area was. you know, you minimize it into the 5-minute chart and you look at the strength, you look at the MACD, you look at the moving averages. Um, they're into strength, and you could tell not one of these candles closed above the 280 resistance line. They pierced it, they touched it, extreme weakness, and look at that pullback we got off of that area. Down into 276.50 and then down to the next support line at 274. So I put those um, destination points out for you guys to use them like this. Use those upper destination areas and say, wow, this is really getting rejected. Our strength indicators are on the upside, and the chart pattern and price action really isn't doing much beyond that area. So I'm gonna look to take a short. And look at that, just a beautiful pullback. Great opportunity. If you're in options on this, put options on the SPY, and you capture 3 to 4 points, your account is gonna, probably have upwards of 100% gains. It's incredible, and this happened in about an hour, 2 hours. This day was incredible, and that was all right off the pre-market game plan. It didn't initially happen, but the same thing happened later on within an hour later. You just got to adapt and find those plays. So that's how I found that resistance. And then came up with the game plan, and it all depends on the indicators. You got to go off the indicators. You got to go off what the trend is telling you. Never fight the trend. So that's that. Let's have a good trading day, and hopefully we'll make some money.